No way! I will make a giveaway with the Kukirin G2, the normal Kukirin G2. This is the Kukirin G2 Master, the G2. So guys, this is the G2 that I will put on giveaway. You see? It's new. It's new. Look. Let's make a little off-road, guys. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh. Mama. It's so wet. Oh. Take a look. Wait, only one wheels. Wait. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god. It's a beautiful day. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. I am here with my Kukirin G2 master, and I'm just gonna make a ride here in Italy. In Italy for now is illegal, and you have to you need a registration plate, an insurance, and a helmet. The helmet, I have it. I missed the other parts, but it's okay. So let's make a run here with this beautiful view, and let me know in the comments, guys, if you like it. I will put more video. I speak in English, but I'm Romanian. I speak in English because of a lot of my followers are from other countries, so I speak in English. So let's go, guys. Enough talking. Let's go. It's so wet here. It's so wet. Kukirin. Here is a big hill. Let me see how fast he goes. It's a big hill. It's a really big. Okay. Going up. Okay, so it's going. Then I will go down for seeing like the speed of this stuff. Let's go down, and now we have to reach a maximum speed of 17. Let's see if I don't die. Okay, let's go, guys. Full speed. Oh my god. Nice. Here's it. Okay, let's go. Nice. Oh. Now it's morning, guys. It's like 9 a.m. and it's pretty cold outside. Pretty cold. I go slow because there are dogs, stuff like this. And it's pretty wet. Oh yeah. Okay. It's a pretty nice view. It's a pretty nice view, guys. Okay. I go there in the forest. I go on the right here. Okay. Nice. What a beauty. Yes, guys, that's nice. That is pretty nice. I go for a swim. Let's go for a swim. Here the water is pretty small, but I can go with my scooter over there. No. Look at this. I don't know if the wheel is... Oh, it's okay. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you want more video with my Kukirin. I have this one, the G2 Master, and when I reach 10k subscriber, I will make a giveaway with the Kukirin G2, the normal Kukirin G2. This is the Kukirin G2 Master, the G2. I will make a giveaway, and one lucky guy or girl, I don't know, but 100% of my channel are guys, so one guy, one lucky guy, he will win a Kukirin G2, guys. But I will make the giveaway only when I reach 10k subscribers. If I don't reach it, it's not my problem, that's your. So share the video, comment, and share it to more people to subscribe to my channel. Then when I reach 10k, I will make the giveaway, guys. I will make a live. He will be the first prize, the first premium. He will be the Kukirin G2, and I will put more prizes. Like he will not win only one person, but maybe 5 or 3. I don't know. We will see, guys. We will see. Oh my God! Look here. Okay, so let's go. Enough talking, and let's go. I know you like the rides. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh, you have to see this. Wait a second. You'll see, guys. No way. No way. Oh my God, Kukirin. Look. No creak. No creak needed. And now for exiting here, let's put the dual motor. And now, oh yeah, yeah, like you say, this is pretty strong, guys. This is a beast. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Kukirin. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What I do. What did I do? Okay, let's go, guys. Oh my God. Let's go. Okay. Let's clean this stuff. Okay, guys, so like I say, subscribe to my channel, because at 10k I will give a G2 Kukirin. Not this one, the G2 Master, but the other one. I only make 16 kilometers. It's brand new. I use it only for the video with the Christmas lights, and that's all. And the first video. And now let's make another run, guys. Let's go slowly because there are some dogs here. Let's go pretty slow. Okay. Let's respect people and dogs. I don't want to have trouble. When I reach people, I go slow. When I'm alone, I go fast. So like I'm saying, let's go, guys. Okay, let's go, full speed. That's what you like, guys. I know. Here is pretty wet. Pretty wet. Oh my god. Oh, and let's go up. Okay. Hey, la 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 la. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. For this speed, subscribe. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry. Don't forget to share the video to your friends and let them know maybe they want to win a Kukirin G2. So when I reach 10k subscribers, I will make the giveaway, guys. I don't say bullshit. It's only the truth. I have it and I don't use it, so I think it's a good thing that one of my subscribers win the Kukirin G2. I only use the G2 Master, that I like it very much. So when I reach 10k, we will make the live stream with the giveaway, guys, and one of you will win the Kukirin G2. And let's go full speed, guys, again. Yeehaw! Oh my god, there was a dog here. Oh yeah. Let's go slowly because this guy, well, he will be upset. Italian people are upset with electric scooters. They don't like it. They don't like it. They are haters. Haters of electric scooters. Okay, guys. So see you in the next video when I will put more details about the giveaway. This was only a sneak peek, like I say. It was only for the subscribers that watch my videos, and I will put a video dedicated for the giveaway. This was only for let you know first, but when we reach 10k, we will give the Kukirin G2, guys. So let me know in the comments if you like the content that I make, if the video is good, if audio quality is good, and if you don't like it, drop a dislike. If you like it, drop a like. So see you guys. So guys, this is the G2 that I will put on giveaway. You see, it's new. It's new. Look, it only has the lights, the Christmas lights. I have to put off this thing and let me see how many kilometers. Let's see, 16, like I said, 16 kilometers. It's new. So follow, guys.